throughout planning and implementing the Literacy Coach program, we've had lots of lessons learned. One of the most important lessons we learned was consistency when it comes to assessments. As we talked about before, we give a pre and a post assessment, and these assessments are done with a human assessor through observation. And we've noticed that when we have consistency with a similar assessor, doing both the pre and the post assessment, that data is a bit more valid and reliable. Also, the timing of those assessments. So if we're measuring growth and measuring how our students are doing, we really need to pay almost as much attention to the assessment and the tools that we're using as we are to providing the instruction and the support in the classroom, so that we can really measure that growth and get the best data that we can. We also noticed that teacher buy-in was a big lesson that we learned. Before, we had provider buy-in, but what's really important is that that teacher, the one who we're working with daily, weekly, really believes that they can and will improve and want to put the work in to do it. So this year we've been really targeting how we select our teacher candidates, and we've also targeted how we orient them. So we're having a teacher orientation to make sure that they really know what's going to be expected of them and how we're going to be there to support them. We think that's really going to be helpful in improving our program and moving it forward.